Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Conrad Sangma long bak Sorkar kan le Tyngeh ek briew ke bedan kti ki Pynbthei ba nongbah Shillong bar kumjuh kino ki bedan kti ki pyntriem da ka bayro ek jingla tre kam stet ki pulet ban yo kemi ki bedan kti Pynbthei ba khandai la tang hapo ka khar ar kenta Myntri Rangbah long ki pulet kindang le la ka kam ban to ke benya halor kani hendai na kliang ka Sorkar par kan le Tyngeh haba yo kemi ki briew ki bale ki pyntriem.
Police acted very swiftly, and within 12 hours of the incident taking place, the individuals concerned and involved in this were picked up, and more investigation is on. And I want to assure the people of the state that the police and the entire government machinery is working overtime on this, and all those people who are involved in this will not be spared. We will do everything that needs to be done to ensure that justice is done and no other incident like this should happen in the future. So government is very firm on it, and police is working overtime. And as I said, we have already caught the people who are involved, and more investigation is on. And within a few days, we will be revealing more information to the press and to the public.